Hello and welcome to my PowerUp Challenge presentation. It all started with a solution which I created called the Soul Style Boutique. If we open this Soul Style Boutique solution, we have two apps, one chatbot, a cloud flow, and a table, the Soul Style Shoe Order table. Alright, now the apps, one of them is a Canvas app and the other is a modern driven app. The modern driven app, if we open it, that's where the backend staffs get update on approval of the orders that are placed, so that they'll be able to know the estimated ship date in order for them to deliver the product to the customer. And in this modern driven app, we can also add new shoe product to the stock. Okay, now the Canvas app, that's where we started. Let's go back there. Okay, this is the interface. We have a chatbot at the left. We can just ask simple question, opening and closing time. All right, it will be able to give us simple answer for that simple question. Okay, we open for business 8 a.m. and close by 6 p.m. daily, Monday to Saturday. Okay, before we browse our shoe product, this Canvas app is actually connected to the table. This table, the Soul Style Shoe Orders table, that is built in modern driven in the dataverse, in the dataverse. All right, and this table is what I use to connect to my Power BI. All right, the Power BI report, where will get live update of the sales in the company. And the report, the Power BI dashboard, the reports were created a dashboard that also connects to the live sales. Okay, now as at now, the KPIs, where we have calculated values, total revenue is 7.25. We have total orders 61, total shoes sold 89, and so on. Okay, now down here we have the total stock level. Total shoe in the stock is 1006. Okay, let's use the dashboard that is wider so we can see clearly. All right, total orders by shoe category, we have the sneaker shoe leading. By size, we have size 9 shoe leading. As of now, we have 58 approvals and 3 rejection. And then percent sale by shoe category, we have the sneaker shoes is taking the lead. And then quantities sold by shoe name, we have the athletic sports shoe. 12 shoes have been sold for the athletic sports shoes. Top shoes by total revenue, we have the modern sneaker boot. And then top shoe by total orders, we have the athletic sports shoes, and so on. It continues like that. We get the bottom shoes and so on. Because of time, let's move forward. Now we're going to see how this total order will increase. All right, total order will increase from 61 to, let's place 2 order to 63, and then the total stock will reduce from 1006 to 1004. All right, that's so. Let's go back to the Canvas app so that we'll be able to browse the shoes and so that we can place an order also. Okay, all right, this is what we have in this our Canvas app. You can browse the shoes by color. The black shoes will come up. All right, if I browse Heely shoes by name or by categories, the Heely shoes will also come up. All right, if I want to pick by categories also, I can use the drop down. Sneaker shoes, the sneaker shoes will show up. Boots, it will show up, and so on and so forth. We can pick a shoe. All right, let's say I pick the athletic sports shoes and the comfortable sneakers. All right, these 2 shoes, these 2 buttons will alight at the bottom. You can clear the selection. All right, let's pick it again and then view our cart. We have 2 items in our cart. Let's click it open. In our cart, the 2 items that have been picked are here, so we can delete any of them or clear both of them. Okay, if we have more than one, go back, let's pick the same shoes. Okay, via our cart, 2 items, we can change the quantity from 1 to 2. The price will also update as such. All right, let's just order for 1, each of them 1. 3, it will update the price likewise. So to add, in order for us to get our total order, we click the plus sign. Okay, 72. Right, if I click this order plus sign, 72, the 79 will be added to the 72 for us to get the total order that will be paid. All right, so we have $168. So let's say the shoe was ordered by Sam, and then for friend. All right, Sam is buying the shoe for his friend. Now I want to place the order, so I click, order is placed. All right, immediately we have success message. Your order is placed successfully. So keep shopping to take us back to our shopping screen. All right, let's go now to our table. All right, our table is supposed to be updated. Let's refresh it, and then we are supposed to get an email here that is going to be approved by the manager or the cashier if he has received payment for the stock. All right, before we come to this email section, let's first go to our table. Okay, it's still loading. It's loading, it's coming up. All right, let's scroll down quickly. All right, so for friend Sam, you remember, well, we choose athletic sports shoes and comfortable sneakers. Now these two columns have not been updated, the approval section and the approval date. So we go to our email, the 2 shoes are already here. All right, we're going to approve them immediately now. They are loading. When we approve them, the table will be updated, and then we'll go to our Power BI and see how it will affect the calculations and the results that have been displayed already. Okay, so I'll approve it quickly. Payment received. Okay, submit. Now the customer will receive a message after the approval to show that his payment have been received. Again, payment received for the second shoe. All right, submit. All right, you see the first message is already here, payment received, and your shoe order has been approved for the comfortable sneakers. Okay, let's go immediately to the table, refresh it to see how it has been updated. All right, so our dashboard is our next area of call. Let's be refreshing it also so that we can see how. All right, we're waiting for the table to be updated and our Power BI to be updated too. All right, so we have our table. Okay, let's scroll down. All right, down, today is 9th. All right, 9th of November. So for friend, and then by Sam, athletic sports shoe and comfortable sneakers, it has been approved. Let's go to our Power BI. We have already refreshed. Remember we had, okay, this side, the dashboard have not been updated. Let's still refresh, but the report has been updated. So we have from 61 to 63 shoes now. All right, total shoes sold is 91. Total revenue has increased from to 7.42k. All right, and then the stock has dropped from 1006 to 1004. All right, so everything changes as sales are going on. All right, we have another screen where we can also see the same thing, but here we could see the top shoes by total revenue and so on, top shoes by total orders and so on. Let's go back to our home screen. All right, so this one is also updated, our dashboard. So everything has worked correctly.